welcome to our channel NK Learning. Today we are going to learn how to create shake effect in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Let's start. File, create a new project. This is project name. Browse, go to select the file location and capture DV. Okay, project is ready. Create a new sequence HDV 1080p 30. Okay, sequence is ready. Go to project, insert, Ctrl plus I, insert, select this video and music. Let's drag the video, insert the sequence, then drag the music, insert the sequence. This is video and music. Create a effect. Go to project, new item. Select new item, adjustment layer. Just insert the sequence, the adjustment layer. Select, go to effect, directional blur. Select a directional blur. Apply the adjustment layer. Go to effect control. This is directional blur. You can change blur length 30. See, you can place the adjustment layer in your music base concern. Then select stop forward and select one step, just one slice, again one, again one. I need 3 copy. Okay. When delete, select middle one again. Fine. The effect is ready. See. The shake effect is ready. Then copy the shake effect. You can select Alt to drag. Copy the base effect. Shake effect, start your base concern. You can place it. Your music base concern, you can place it the effect like this. replace the entire base concern. Show on video. See the output. Again, copy Alt plus drag. You can select Alt, then drag your mouse, copy the effect. This area is base concern. This area is base concern. The effect on base concern on your music. Remove the unwanted music. Fine. This effect is finished. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you. See the final output.